guys, what is up? Mason here, back with another video, and today I am going to be doing a woodwork challenge with the same goal as I used my last video in. Go shut the door. So let's get right into the video. Come on, my brother's coming. 3, 2, 1, come on. Right, we're going to be using the kicker ball. My ball. Some of you might have got this. It's a good ball. It's kick it, swerve it, bend it, whatever it's called. So yeah. Guys, let's get right into it. 3, 2, 1. So, I'm going for crossbar first. We're doing a woodwork challenge. I'm going for crossbar first, left post second, right post first. Wait, no, I'm not going crossbar first. I'm going to smack it. Home and go for this. I suck at this! He's probably going to beat me. I won last time. Yeah, you won. We're practicing. Yeah. Ready, Finley? You still celebrate? Wait. No! What a miss! I celebrate. What a miss! Best miss ever. Okay, come on. Unlucky, Logan. So get out of my way. 3, 2, 1. Yes! Yay, boy! Woohoo! That was right post. So I'm going to get left post and crossbar. He's got a harder job now. He's got a harder job than me. You're going to get it. You're going to get the next. Because crossbar is probably the easiest of them all. Yeah! So close, and I was aiming. And by the way, guys, you get it here or here, you retake. I did that last time. Woo! So close. Nope. That does not count. Why did I say you're getting it? Okay, guys. And 3, 2, 1. Wait, no. 3, 2, 1. Yeah! That was so babyish, but that was so close as well. Sad moments. Right, I'm gonna do a long shot. Hey, just completely in the middle of the goal. Yep. Mason sucks at it. I was aiming, so I wanted to retake it. So, it failed. You're going to get grass in your face right now. I bet it scares you. This scares you. Comment down below if it scared you or not. He's just got it. Yeah! I don't know if you guys saw that, because I might have been in the way. Don't get it with a big spider. So what? If you pick it, you get it. No, that's what. Yeah, I keep getting it, so it's good now. Just reach it. Guys, it's too short to reach it. Sorry, we might have to quit this. There's a spider on my arm. What are you saying? There was not a spider on your arm. So guys, he's just got right post. Yeah, right post to go. No, left post to go. No, you got that one. Yeah, that's right. That's right. Yeah, look. Whatever. Right. Oh no, I got that. No. Yeah, I got that post already, didn't I? I just wasted my go. So guys, I've got here and here. Oh. 3, 2, 1, 2. Yo! So we might make a video then. We might not upload it today though. He's called William the Conqueror. Conqueror. Oh! So I've got 2 left, guys. He's got 1. He's getting quite close. So close. William the Conqueror the Third. Okay, I'm going for crossbar right now. I'll go for that. Yeah, that's your only one. Yo, you're so cray-cray. You know it's actually cool. Comment down below which one it is. Comment down below if you're cray-cray or your silly little brother's cray-cray. I'll comment it down. You're not my you're my little brother. I'm not your little brother. You're cray-cray. Wait, I got it. What? You never got that. Yes, I did. Okay, guys. I got that. I know you got that. Or is he just cheating? So, guys, 3, 2, 1. Smash that subscribe button. Comment down below. Turn on post notifications and leave a like. If you're new to my channel, which most of you will be. I've just got moved into my new class with our teacher called Mr. Stoggers. He's okay, he's nice. So guys, 3, 2, 1, bye!